So now let's see the options of editor preferences inside of Snagit editor. So in order to access the preferences, you simply go to edit right here, where you can access editor preferences just like this. So over here you can see that there's options like you can select the Snagit theme to make it dark right here. If I were to press OK, now everything is dark as you can see right here. And you can go on to editor preferences and choose light as well. You can choose language over here as you can see just like that. And you can choose to have, let's say for example, so notifications or turn off notifications from the application. There's one click option and everything else that you can work around with right here. You can go on to editor right here. So editor background color by default is this. So if you want to choose black, then you can go ahead and the editor background color will be black. So recent files or thumbnail size is medium. You can choose large as well. So it is much more larger as you can see just like that. So you can go around and change the outlook right over here just like this. Similarly, you have the expand option right here, escape key closes editor, and then show cursor quick style pop-up and everything. So you can enable all of these out according to what you like. Also, the spell check option right is here. So you can use the spell check option. Share option is right over here. So there are the share destinations. You can add right over here, and then it'll open up the share option, which you can download and then integrate right here. Or you can delete some of these as well. Let's say, for example, you don't want SharePoint, you can just delete this out, remove, and so you can just press remove, and then what happens is that SharePoint is removed. So after you restart the software, what happens is that SharePoint is not there anymore. Then you have library option right here. So maximum recent file is 10 as you can see right here. So you can go around and change that around into 40. Let's say for example, 15. 40 is above the max number. So max is 15. So you can go around and say maximum 15 files. So automatically save new image captures into library. Yes. Video captures in library, and prompt before deleting files. So all of these are checked on. And here, remove all items from tray when closing the editor. This is an option as well. You can also create a backup right over here and then save it out somewhere else so that you can use it later on. And in the advanced section, it says always keep editor running in the background. So if you always need to keep on taking screenshots, then you might want to have this considered turning on. And delete cropped content as you can see right here. So whenever I actually crop out something, it actually deletes out. But if you want them back, you might want to turn this off right here. Automatically flatten pasted images. So everything will be flattened out if you do this. But usually for editing, it's suggested not to do that in the first round. Mobile sharing allows sharing to Snagit and keep original images. You can also do this out just like that. And file associations right here, you can go around and then it says that you can go around to default apps and then work around with it. So all of these options are provided by the Snagit editor preferences to change out the application to the way you want. I'm just going to go around right here, and then I'm going to change this back onto medium so that I can get back to my default layout. So that is how you can work with editor preferences and its options inside of Snagit editor. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.